In Bangladesh, at least 43 people, including 26 women and 3 children, were killed and 22 critically injured in a fire that broke out at the 7-story shopping mall on Bele Road in Dhaka last night. Bangladesh Health Minister Samantha Lal Sen said that 33 of the deceased died at the Dhaka Medical College Hospital and 10 at the Sheikh Hasina National Institute of Burn and Plastic Surgery. He added that the condition of all the 22 people are critical. Fire service officials said they rescued 75 people, including 42 in an unconscious state, from the scene, a 7-story building. The fire broke out at around 9:50 p.m. at a restaurant called Kachi Bhai, located on the first floor and quickly spread upstairs, where some more restaurants and a ready-made garment shop were housed. Preparation for the upcoming